Hello children, I am continuing the topic the Central Islamic Land. Today we will study about the urbanization. Urbanization is the process by which we start to develop our areas by constructing the roads, making buildings, making bridges and establishing new industries. It also includes the development of the human being, that is human resources, and all these development just lead the development of any civilization. Now we will study how the urbanization was done in the areas which were newly included in the Arab countries and which were already there in the Arab hand, means which were already under the control of the Arabs. Now just see. The first thing is that there were the need for the establishment of new cities. Then the question is why there was the need for establishing of new cities. The answer is that there were the soldiers who were in the Arab army. Now they also needed to place and accommodation. Reason behind that after the Third Crusade there was a stability of the political situation, and now Europeans also and the people belonging from other empires also, they started to think and avoid wars, and they started to lead stability, and they started to lead a stable life. And the result was stability. Stable life means political stability, and they started to avoid the wars and any type of conflicts, so that they could grow and develop in the field of agriculture, economy, and in the field of trade, commerce, and in other fields also. For development of their civilization, it was necessary also. For development of their people, for their development of their country also, it was needed. So now there was a need to establish new accommodation for the people who were in the army, or we can say for the soldiers who were in the army. They needed their accommodation, and for that purpose there was a need to develop new cities, and new cities were developed and they were called the garrison city. And these new cities were developed and in Iraq also, in Kufa also, and in Cairo also. And then there was another thing, that the most important thing was there was an increase in the population. As we can see that in 8th century only, the 1 million population was of the Baghdad, and there was a continuous increase in the population, not only in the Baghdad but in other parts which were under the Arab control. So there was a need that the Arab Empire which were ruling in the Arab countries, they have to create new cities, and the old cities were also there. They also adjusted so many people, and they also they adjusted the people who were who were the part of the increase in the population. Yani ki, after the when the population started to increase, old cities also accommodated all those people, and at the same time there was a lot of development was done in the old cities also. And we can see that there was a need for old cities to develop, and there was a link made between the old cities and the new cities. The link was made to connect and to have a connectivity between the old cities also and between the new cities also. And then next one we can see that there were two. We can take the example, many cities were there which were old, but we can take two examples like Damascus were there, Samarkand were there, and Samarkand and in Damascus also there was a need to development, and the rulers have done this. The rulers did this, And then next was that whatever the cities were there, now what was the construction or what was the design of the construction for the old cities also and for the new cities also. We can see now. Whatever the cities were there, they were having two main buildings and they were called building complexes. For example, Congressional Mosque were there, and these mosques were so huge that from a very distance people can see it, and they were the place of the meeting of the people also. They used to offer prayer also, and there were one central market also. Means these were the building complexes. Means one was Congressional Mosque, mosque means masjid, and then next was Central Marketplace. Marketplace means in the present time we can see the malls, which is having each and every item, whether it is a eating material or a dressing or vegetables. They were also having Central Marketplace in which all the shops were in the row, and they were containing all the items which the people needed, and they were supporting the people so that they could purchase all the things on the goods which were the need of the people. And next, now very important thing, we can see that whatever the new cities were there, they were constructed on this design. For example, in the new city at the central place only administrators, scholars and merchants were living. And at the central place, for the first thing, administrators were living, and at the attached buildings attached to the administrators, some other buildings were there where scholars and merchants were living. And after that boundary, then other was a wall, and after that ordinary citizens and soldiers were living. Who were living? Ordinary citizens and soldiers. And next was after that boundary, then other people were there who were urban poor people and unclear jobs. Means the people who were poor and the people who were doing the cleaning work, they were living. Where they were living? The wall where ordinary people and soldiers were living. After that there was on another wall, and after that they were living. We can see here, right? And then at the outskirts of the city there were inns. Inns means dharamshala, where people could come to stay and they can take the services of the inns, and there were inns were there. After that, now we can see, and besides the inns and the outskirt of the city, there were other shops like vegetable shops were also there. Now we can see the construction of the city which was done in this at the main center of the city. Administrators were living, and some attached buildings were there where the scholars and merchants were living. And then after that there was another wall, and after that the people who were ordinary people and soldiers were living, and then they living urban poor people, and then in the last that is outskirt of the city were the inns. Okay, children, now just see, again I am repeating all the points of urbanization. Urbanization means development or creation of the new cities, which was needed only for that giving and providing accommodation to the soldiers which were working in the Arab army. And then population also increased. For that purpose also new cities were needed to develop, and then old cities were also there, and there was a connectivity made between the old cities and new cities. And then there were two buildings, garrison building जिसको congressional building भी बोलते हैं, congressional mosque, and then other was central market place. Then other important thing was the जो ये design थी जो किसी भी city को बनाने के लिए, new city को, what was that कि at the central level, the center में who will be living, administrators, scholars and merchants will be living. Then after that there will be a boundary and then जो है ordinary people and soldiers will live. Then जो है there will be again a wall, and after that urban poor people and the people who were doing the work of the cleaning, they will live. And then जो है there are also some जो है shops were there, and they were also having their own mosque, means masjid, and the temples, means some Jews were also living there. So Jews were having their own temples. At the same time Christians were also living there. They were having their own church also. And at the outskirt of the inns, the outskirt of the city, there were inns. And that's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.